Waffles, they've got their claw, trying to grab some green cubes, pulling into the goal. Low expectations, not copper red right off the bat. They're picking up some greens. The Waffles scoring a green into the goal. Low expectations, trying to feed up some of those greens into their robot. They knock off another cube off the post. As we do 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. The Waffles dropping another cube into that goal for that uniform goal bonus. All red cubes have been knocked off. We must now switch drivers. As we move to the last little bit of the match, we'll see if we can get any last minute points for either of these teams. The Waffles are going to score another green cube. They get it in. Low expectations, pull off the park. Can the Waffles get another cube in these last 7 seconds? 3, 2, 1. Alright, for qualification match number 35, we have 75054A, Mechanical Thunder, and a